Alright, back from Harbor Freight. A little tool haul. Some of the stuff we got. These are always very helpful. Got to using these when I'm working with oily stuff and grease. And my wife uses these a lot, so when she's washing the dishes or working around the house. So, and I'm painting and everything, as you can see. Those are well used. 2 of those we got. And I went up there for tarps, and as you can see, there's the tarps I got. Camouflaged, 5'6" by 7'6" top. And I got a 7' by 9' top. So I got a couple of those. And they gave, this is a free top here. They gave that one there, the free top. We got tons of DVD and CDs and all that kind of stuff. So my wife picked up a couple of these. For all DVDs we got, we'll organize them and hopefully, the finger. Hopefully, make them ready and available in alphabetical order. We end up getting 2 of those. Hold up 240. 240 is the capacity, so we got 2 of those, so 480. That should be enough. And some of the other stuff. Let's see. Well, they always give you these. Put those in the bag. This is a Latex sale. I need of those. 6 of them. Wire wheels, different sizes for the cordless drills and my drill press and so forth. Clean up a lot of the tools and clean up some of the work I have. It's here. This was nice. This was $5.99. I use that when I'm welding, my MIG welder. And, this is Insiders Trade, I guess they call it Inside Track Club, which we belong to. Price is supposed to be cheaper by that. Let's see what else is in here. There's here some elastic ties using the tops. Tie the tops down. And I think last but not least, a buffing wheel to clean up stuff and tools and so forth. Oh, and one more, that's not the last. Last is a ratchet. This one, the head bends. Pittsburgh 1/4 inch. Yeah, this 1/4 inch. It's nice in size. I use a lot of the 1/4 inch ratchets now. I put the adapter on even for 1/2 inch sockets. But I find I use these more, the 1/4 inch, than I do the 3/8 sometimes. 3/8 for breaking the bolts. But these are a lot of the job that I do, the do-it-yourself. These 270 degree swivel is nice. You get it like that and you can go to town. It seems like it's got about, I'm not correct on the teeth, like 68. And it's got a heavy duty chrome vanadium. I mean, the vanadium steel body with the chrome moly. Venom, is that how they say that? The drive on this, it's got the quick release. You can see. These are so nice and easy to work with. I like them. Reversible, the push button quick release is nice. Ergonomic wise, that cushion handle is just right. I know it's a 1/4 inch, but it's just right on a lot of jobs that I do. And that chrome vanadium steel body is nice on that. Look how shiny it is, smooth it is. The moly medium drive. And that rubber handle, it feels right. It grips And it's just the right size for a number of jobs. I know, again, like I say, it's 1/4 inch. I got this to show all the stuff that I purchased today at Harbor Freight on the trip. And they've stepped up their tools. I'm pretty sure I'll enjoy this. It'll last for a while. But it's going to serve the purpose, no doubt. So with that said, I'll enjoy this Pittsburgh Pro 1/4 inch ratchet. And get back to the rest of the tool haul I got today at Harbor Freight, me and my loving wife. I've been using the 1/4 inch quite a bit, more so than my 3/8. And that will be well used. Let's see if I can find some of the prices on this. Oh, that was just my list there. So, oh, that's the tool haul for today. This is one of those angle, like I say. And I know this will be well used. Well, that's the tool haul for today. After we shopped at Harbor Freight, we did go to Smash Burger, get some burgers. It's raining here today in New England, specifically this part of New England, Massachusetts. It's raining. And that's the tool haul. So folks, enjoy the day. If you're having a beer, or a drink, or a shot of Jameson whiskey, be responsible and don't drive. Ciao. Hopefully I'll be showing the food we had at the end of the shopping at Smash Burger. Ciao.